how I season my pulled pork shoulder. I got my famous dry rub. Got my pork shoulder. Got a little yellow mustard. This Help Your Season stick. I just rub mustard all on it. Just give it a bath in mustard. You know, so like so. Hit me with some seasoning. Rub my seasoning on it. Stick it on down. Look like all the seasoning sticking on my hand, huh? That's okay. This is our good side right here. Put my yellow mustard on it. Okay, just cover it up. I like to cover mine all the way up. Let's say this is my dry rub that I make together. Hey, you can go look at the video, check it out, a couple videos back, and you can see how I made the rub. Trade you try it out. Hey, let me know if you do anything different to it. I'll try it out. Hey, just load it down, cover it. Don't be scared to season it. Trust me, you want to get inside to your meat. I didn't trim no fat off. Okay, that's covered pretty much. And I'm just gonna wrap it up and let it sit overnight. What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. It's 9:30 at night. We're gonna go ahead and put on a pulled pork shoulder. Got my smoke already ready, fired up. You can see this. I got my water pan over there. Just trying a little something different. Gonna put it over there here in this far back right corner. Ooh, and she nice and hot too. You can hear her sizzling. Let that smoke just roll, baby, roll. And let the smoke roll all night long. Alright, we got the pork shoulder smoking down. Go ahead, sizzle it with a little. Got a little apple cider vinegar. Go ahead and hit it. You don't want to do it too much. You don't want to. Pork shoulder to give out on you. We'll come back. Been on for a good 3 hours. We'll come back and check on it in another 3 more hours. Add a little wood to our firebox. What Daddy yo? Gonna smoke on, butt on down. So go ahead and take off. Let her rest in the floor for a good hour. We'll see we got an hour. Long night. Good 8 hours on there. Nice and slow. Let's go ahead and pour it. See how that bone pull is. Woo! And when you know you got you something, that bone pull on up like that. A little hot though. Let it rest for 2 hours. About to go ahead and chop it down to some nice pulled pork. Let's grab our claws. Claw up. Look at this big bone. How you guys think the smoke came out? I don't know. Nice color. Good flavor. I never used these claws before. First time for everything. Little bone. Just get the bone out. It's like Warrior Rain. These claws work pretty good. We got to chop on down. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my all-purpose sauce on it with a little apple cider vinegar. Yeah, baby. Go ahead and pour that barbecue sauce on there. Think we might got us some here. Think about going to my hometown, having a little plate sale. Shake it up. Go ahead and put a little apple cider vinegar on top of here. Go ahead and mix it in there. Get down the greasy in here. Look at that. Nice. Just the right amount of sauce, right amount of vinegar. And then we'll just put it on the roasting pan. Cover the top up, let it sit for the day, for dinner. Hey, thanks for stopping by, watching the video. Hey, more videos coming soon, daily. Hey, make sure, you know, give me the likes, the subscribes. Hey, let your friends, family know. Thanks for watching. Peace.